And I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up on moving forward. And I will never miss, just take it now. I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with someone I can't believe. I know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes I want the crown, I'll get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Try to see me grin. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night inning, there ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here I'm screaming, okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Get it down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I'll win it. I'm just living for today. I'm winning, I don't stay. I just want to have no shame. Best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no motion. To stay composed, man. Never stop, never stop. There's no time to fall. Try to live, get it up. When you finally get that thought, you get ready, take it on. Need a hand out. Already stand out. Starting to realize now. Ready to stand now. You don't have a choice now. $5 grand now, feeling like a man now. To see if they look at me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. Yeah, all day and all night we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk, woke up, we were okay. All bright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us like a good driving so far, pledging so far. You show me your heart, let down our guards. Think with our hearts, stand with the stars. We would never way too much fun out in the sun. No regret is gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on. And how careless we could be. And how nights, long fights, no way, we were alive. We would careless, clueless, time was precious. We loved to waste time with and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally arrived, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, hanging out late, testing our faith, running away. We live for the day, young and so bold, never get old. Screw what we're told, we can't be controlled. You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Then you must be kidding. You think you're trying to hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible It's not probable, you're irresponsible. So many obstacles, you gotta stop and go. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it so. This is what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Or you just gotta make them take it all back. You just gotta take that. Or will you fucking fight that you just fake it. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore. I don't wanna hear it anymore. Honestly, you're not what I need anymore. I'm about to shut the motherfucking door on all you poor ass haters with your heads in the clouds. Talking out loud so proud. You better shut your goddamn mouth before I do more speak out. It's about to head south. You're never gonna make it. There's no way that you make it. And maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Aren't you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. You're just gonna take that. Or will you fucking fight back? Or will you fucking fight back? She's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Headed to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. Got a body like a good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you had a couple girlfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah. They say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she throws stones, they say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens. But I'm not too sure that she's a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and the real weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad says she got bad intent. My hand's steady, I feel ready, but my leg's heavy, I don't get it. How come I haven't hit it already? Still working, I'm still learning, I'm still searching, finding something, finally turning something called a profit. If I hear you talking shit, don't get caught in it. I'll be popping off and hit your ass, dropping all your shit. Yeah, I promise this, I got promises, you ain't stopping this. Cross my shit, you'll be knocked in conscious, bitch. That's the consequence, I got this, I will not quit. Man, I'm honest, I'm gonna launch quick, then I'm gone. It's just a matter of time before I'm over the climb and moving under my prime. Just quit my 9 to 5, I'm rocking, they watching, cause it's shocking. Dropping all these top 10 songs, so stopping. It's time to live my life, it's time to live my die. Wish I could slow down time and just enjoy the climb. And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I get it, bro. So don't just let me get it. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna get it, yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God, I'll get it, bro. Hey, I ain't never giving up. Said I never give up. I got this, man, I got it. I will not quit, I'm on it. Never rock it. Got the block lit, I'm toxic. Spitting logic, make them nauseous. Honest, then I got is naked, and I really hate it. God, I really hate it. I just wanna make it through all this fake shit, living in the real real life, living for some real times. Talk about the real climb, passionate in real rhymes. Real time, bad from my 9 to 5, taking back my fucking life. I just wanna feel alive. And I'm the one to get it, bro. I swear to God I'll get it, bro. So don't just let me get it. Yeah, let's go. I'm gonna get it, yeah, I'm the one to get it, bro. I never give up, fake it till I make it. Motherfucking take it back from me. Racks from the traitors, got some passion in depth when it happens. Factions take actions, trapped in their captions. I'm raising my hand, facing the past. I'm lost in attraction, avoid the distractions. I'm snapping, no captions, attracting reactions. Adapting, attacking, commanding the masses. I'm practicing habits, I don't fucking ask this, I just fucking grab it. I am never static, massively active, expanding, passionate, planning to have it. So I will go after it, and I'ma stay after it. I'm gonna fucking master it, put them on blast. They won't blast it, don't be so dramatic. Not my demographic, this shit is democratic. They won't affect that, yeah, it's our time to shine. Show that's the kind of state of mind you gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, yeah. Thinking that I'm too pop. Getting caught with a few thoughts cause I'm too lost. Off the speakers can't even handle me. Got what I got, nobody's gonna drain my energy. And I will never stop before motivating my enemies. Setting up shop so everybody remember me. And now I am not going through life progressively. I do the work non-stop. They call it sesame, the worst of our job. Just to live like crazy. Already done, but I'm like not a fantasy. I'm with all God who souls who stop, drop, and roll. Your lives are I'm off your phone. I got smart, I fold. I'm not blind, I'm sold. My stock rock, I'm going to it's hip-hop, you know. What was it rock and roll? I'm not dropping tone, no, I'm talking strong. You can't stop the show, so get rocked, you know. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never gonna taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, so let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never gonna I'm taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you. No, I'm never slowing down cause we're blowing up now. I ain't never slowing down, keep on going till I'm down. Attack with no question. In my own section and they still get connected. Cause their mind's been infected and they're filled with objection. Too filled for recollection. So we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention. Cause I'm gaining their attention. Cause I'm making a connection. Lyricism and aggression got me feeling my ascension. In my passion, my profession, I'm attacking my obsession. Taking action and progression. I go off on the enemy. That's what makes them scared of me. Got my plans to release and execute them daringly. They say I act recklessly, but that's why I'm the I don't think I'm lost, so this thing gon' be a legend. I'm never gonna stop till I'm one above second. And my thoughts at the top, but my mind stay present. Don't let your dreams stop. I won't make a name, but it's not about the fame. It's about keeping it. So I stay with my pain. Feel my blood pump through my veins. Feel adrenaline, no pain. Welcome all to my domain. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me break it all down for you. I ain't never giving up, I ain't never giving up. Taking that crown from you. I ain't worried about you, I ain't never. So let me I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just you gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest. I've seen the best in what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes. Call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing, and I'm not quite there yet. No, I'm not okay, I just wanna be something. I don't wanna be nothing, living all alone. No, I'm not alright, I'm still getting by. But I'll tell you I'm just fine, so you leave me alone. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left. And I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win, I won't stop till the end, no. Make a better life instead. You gotta give your best. So put your hands up to the sky and live your best life, alright. Don't just let it go by, just try, oh my. Got only one life, got only this time. We gonna get it right. You gotta let go of those who don't belong in your tribe. So cut the bad out of your life. Yeah, do it one time, one time. You gotta work till you're winning. Yeah, take control of the system. When you invest, it's addicting. No time to rest, let's go get it. Not gonna stop till I'm finished. Not gonna drop to my limits. Deep in my chest, I'm and turn them into your why. Prove to yourself you're worth it. You deserve it. Push past all the hurt and find your purpose. You gotta take control. Life's too short. Get out of your head. Make a better life instead. You gotta give it all your best. So don't let go. Take control. Get out of your head. Make a better life instead. You gotta give it all your best. Give it all your best. Yelling out, hey yo. Headed to the top on our way, yo. You gotta make change. Yeah, there's gonna be a little pain, but nothing's worse than staying the same. So light that flame with the word. energy is all cash. You can get it all if you never give up, no slack. Headed to the top is a mystery, your own path. Never gonna stop, no you got this, never go back. I know it gets hard, you gotta love it. You gotta recharge with what you want and think of your dreams. Get that energy to go and get everything. Let's go. You gotta take control. Life's too short. Get out of your head, make a better life instead. You gotta give it all your best, so don't let go. Take control. Get out of your head, make a better life instead. You gotta give it all your best, give it all your best. Girl, you got me shook from the way your body looks. Got me riding hooks, got me feeling like a rook. I don't do it by the book, but for you I'll take a look. Don't know what your mama took, spicy like you cook, yeah. How can you feel? Let's make a deal. Buy you a meal if you just let me feel. Get out your heels, grab on the wheel. Back to my place at the top of the hill. Don't have regrets, I know what's next. She need a fresh, I'll be back in a sec. Look at them legs, don't make me beg. Back to the room, let me show you my bed. Yeah, your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good. I could look at you all day, watch the way you move. Don't you dare take it away. Can't control what I say. Lost my mind cause you're right. Hey girl, what's your name? Lit me up just like a flame. Body in motion, I feel the commotion. Beyond you like lotion, I'm honest and broken. I flow like the ocean, I feel you were chosen. To fix me, I'm broken, my heart that you stolen. Hey, stay with me, play with me, lay with me. Hate to see when you leave, chemistry feels like a destiny. I just want you laying next to me. Your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Touching on your body feels like taking on a drug. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Everything you do, I can't seem to get enough. You got me feeling good, yeah, you got me feeling numb. Yeah, I spit raps like a heart attack. Fast, fatal, hard impact. Past painful scars, in fact I blast tasteful bars and packs. I back, don't ask, grab reactions, jacked attack with every word, then act with class as they hear me snap. I got nothing to lose, cause I fought and felt the bruise. Now I'm not the one confused, call the shots and they produce. I ain't lost, I'm finally loose. Pick a new silver excuse, I need the views to boost me to a new abuse of being used. Everybody wants a piece now, y'all can rest in peace now. You're dead to me, so peace out. Remember you're discreet out. Get ready for defeat now, I'm gonna make you bleed out. Listen on repeat now and weed out all the weak now. Get up and make a change, don't remember yesterday. If you got something to say, speak your mind before your grave. Cause your life is yours to save, ain't nobody gonna change. Everybody stays the same, so be different, make a name. I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, till it's over. And just like a soldier, always getting closer, I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward, always getting closer, marching till it's over. It's ridiculous, I'm sitting in this ridiculous. I see why other artists quit. me, you won't regret it. Wasting energy, forget it. Don't look back, go on and get it. Bite the bullet just a bit. Bite your tongue and don't say shit. Make your actions hard to miss. Be a legend, not a myth. Yeah. It's obnoxious that I'm conscious. Rapping honest as promise. Try to harness. As an artist, stay modest. It's a long quest. Thousand people going on when I drop this. Like I got it figured out. I'm just honest and I'm loud. Saying modest, but I'm proud. No, I never had a doubt. Yeah. I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. Marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. I'm marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. Marching till it's over. Just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. Marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. Marching till it's over. And just like a soldier, I keep on moving forward. Always getting closer. Marching till it's over. I get what I want, I get what I need. Every single day I'm heading off to my dream, and I get everything that I damn want. I'm the only one that really want it. I'm the only one that's really got it. I'm just being honest. I'm just doing everything I promised, cause I want it bad enough that I'ma make it as an artist. And I know I'm not the smartest, and I know I'm not the largest, but I promise you that I'ma be the one that worked the hardest, cause I promise you that I'm just getting started. And I promise you that my skills are getting sharper, so I'ma get charted. Can't be guarded, nah, I'm the one to get retarded. Get the party started, yeah, get the party started. Yeah, so let me get up on it, yeah. Bitch, you got me fucked up. I don't know what's up. Pour that shit in my cup. We bout to turn up. Crank this shit up so loud. Sounds like we're sold out in front of a whole crowd. Reach control now. Don't take this shit too personally. Everybody got a different version. Everybody wanna be learning from me. Everybody wanna be working with me, and I feel like there's uncertainty and urgency. No matter what you wanna be, quit, no, because I want this. Don't try to stop me. So I be cautious. I got you watching. Don't try to stop this. Work until I'm nauseous. Because I will not quit. No, because I want this. Don't try to stop me now. I don't give a fuck if you got a cause for me. Anything, really worth anything. 200 grand later and we're not even working. Student loans worth more than what we're earning. Best lesson I learned is to keep on searching. Find your true passion and get to work. And better take action or you end up serving. Yeah, that's a fact. So you better clean up your act. So you better raise up the stack. So the world gets stuck on that. Don't come back. Get out your bag. Take a trip and don't react. Just switch and just attack. You find your niche and make some racks. Don't everybody wake up. It's time to break up with the life you made up. It's time to trade up, live the life you want now. A life you don't doubt. I could give a fuck how. Just get your grit out. Man, this life is a blur. Which one you prefer? Cause I'll give you one that's coming from an entrepreneur. Don't give up, it is what you deserve. Time to waste, not now. Need to find a way to get out. You know it's all about the conquest. What's next? You gotta put the work in, like the word says. Think about what you want, what's your future? What kind of person would it take to seduce her? So what's next? Be obsessed with winning and your success. Make progress, this life is never promised. So feel blessed in life, don't be too cautious. Watch out for her dark side. She got some sharp eyes. See it for the first time. Out my sight, I just wanna stay up. Look at you all made up. Turn the dots to something to my mind. I can't wait up. Ooh, she looks so good, got me straight in the mood. She read that room, she know just what to do. Shaking it, kicking them crazy, she know how to move. She said she's ready to party. Let's get it started. I think this is us, not love, 'cause everything need a sign, 'cause I don't wanna waste my time. Sometimes I don't wanna wake up, watch TV instead, I'll wake up. Let the drama unfold with my brain numb. Yeah, I'm so digested. Everything is going on, second guessing. If this world is a place worth saving, I feel lost in this world as of lately. Give me a sign, will everything be alright? I need a sign, 'cause I don't wanna waste my time. I wish I knew. I wanna be free, I gotta find a way to believe. All I know is that if I give up then it's over, but if I keep going every day's a bit closer. Highs and the lows feels like a roller coaster, it's never over. I gotta find a way to get inspired in this life. Stop looking out and start looking inside. Find what I love and take a little pride. Anything is better than complaining about life. I don't need help, I could do it by myself. No pain, no gain, I will